Guys, welcome back to Pentesters Club. Today we're going to solve another tutorial name called a AutoSwagger. So what's this a AutoSwagger? AutoSwagger is a powerful open source tool designed to automatically discover and test Open API Swagger endpoints for a broken authorization vulnerabilities. It helps for a security researchers, developers, and DevOps team identify the expose of API endpoints that can leak a sensitive data or allows an unauthorized access without a proper authentication. So in this video, what we would like to learn. What is AutoSwagger? Swagger? Uh, why it's more important for API penetration testing and API security? So, how it detects and exposes the endpoints using OpenAPI specifications. The process of scanning API for a sensitive data like PI and secret keys. Like if you look any type of like Coinbase, if you find the right API keys, so you can extract entirely you can uh, get in your control. And real world example for a broken authorization issues a discover for a AutoSwagger. So how we would like to run the AutoSwagger in your own environment and analyze the results. So we would like to test now this AutoSwagger. So this AutoSwagger integrates a preset for a detecting a personally unidentifiable information and uses a regex to find a exposed secret. It can work with a direct open API URLs, Swagger UI pages, and even a brute force potential paths. So it's perfect for a developers and bug bounty hunters and security professionals who want to ensure their API are secure from misconfigurations and unauthorized exposure. Now, we would like to do the practical. We would like to open the terminal first. Come back. This is an AutoSwagger. Just try to copy the URL. We just type here as git clone and paste this repository as a AutoSwagger. It is done. You just type here as auto swagger. Now just type here as clear loss minus air. Now I would like to sort activate the virtual environment here. So I noted install. I think let me just type here as ls. No, I noted installed as this. Let me just type here as pip install requirements.txt. We would like to go here pip3. You're attempting to install a package literally named like oh sorry, let me just type it as pip3 install uh, minus r a requirements.txt. Now it's going to install all the requirements here. We would like to wait for that. So once it was installed, then later we would like to try here. This is installed here. Now let's just type come back here. Where is this? A autoswagger.python. You just type here as a python 3, a autoswagger.python minus help. Let's see. Uh, so it's take a lengthy time process to install these autoswaggers, uh, spicy models. So we would like to install all these things. Please note this is like an initial mode release of a AutoSwagger is by no means for a complete. There are like some type of specifications which the tool does not currently handle. uh, you'd like to, please feel free to uh, use it as you wish to extend, up to you. So let you would like to download everything first, then later we would like to get it out here. So it will multiple discovery phases also we can done here. A direct specification like a full URL, like it will be identified like a JSON URL, YML. What else it have in the targeted website that will be extracted, and you can find the right source code also. So even it will test a parallel endpointing also. Let's see how long it may going to be take. You can now load a packages via yes. It was installed. Now our main target is what it was telling very clearly. Uh, AutoSwagger detect unauthenticated access control via a Swagger open API documentations. So position for the arguments, just api.example.com, v for a verbose. That's it. We would like to utilize similar like this. Okay, quite good. Let's come back here. Uh, we would like to utilize. Uh, I would like to utilize here as a hackerone.com. Let me just utilize as a verbose. Then we would like to look here. What is the results we would like to get here? So where you are getting here entirely for the debugging. You can look here everything. So if anything is validated, you can get with the green URL so that you may can get it automatically the results here. Uh, Invalid a response. So where you are getting here from here. Uh, Attempting a fetch to the direct path. So where there is a Cloudflare or something else, no valid API response is found from here. So it will be automatically will check everything. What else we are fetching. So that's a great idea for this. So if you add something with the AI, that's quite good. Now we would like to try here some other thing. Try hacker.com. Now we would like to go with this. Then we would like to try here. So you need to test based on your own requirement. Like we would like to look here a warning. So if it get a warning, there is a something open UI where you can get an API access to get entirely. That you may can get somewhat a bounty here, but that may be a blocks either by load balancer, otherwise Cloudflare protections, or some other things. What else their organizations they have kept over there? No valid API response we have get here. So if you receive a 404, so you are good to go because there is a valid response, but you just required from there a valid registration format like a valid user ID and password. Then you can get it from there. What else you required? That's it. So you try it your own, guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.